Quick little, you want to do that one more time?
On the road.
Yeah, our radio's down. This is our human jukebox here.
400 titles.
452
All
songs.
country.
And every one of them was produced before 1932.
That's right.
Anyways, update, we're back on the road. We only got about run over twice, which is pretty good.
So, update. Here's what happened.
Just make sure here, you need to tighten.
About to fall.
They ain't rolling up into the trailer. Here, I got a block. We need to make it taller. Watch this car about to hit us. Hey, how about just going on over a little bit since we are.
Appreciate y'all.
We appreciate it.
We did leave a hell of a light mark up through there for about 200 yards though.
Yeah.
So we have our one spare on, so there's that. We're in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee.
And there's that.
Hoping we get to a Tractor Supply before they close.
And there's that.
Find an odd ball wheel pattern to fair.
And there's that.
We only have like 4 hours to go.
Anyways, we just want to bring you up to date. We're back on the road and we're live. So we'll catch you up shortly.
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Yo, some gushes in the crusher. Now that's a head buster. Yeah, she bad, but I don't trust her. Probably think I'm gon' cuff her, but I ain't no lover boy. All these girls love the boy. Shout out to my Uncle Troy, he bout to have another boy. So enjoy just being in the room.
Well, it is 20 minutes after 12. We're here. We're unloading our stuff. Fixing to go in the room, get to sleep. We gotta get up, be at the track by like 7:30. So, we're going to bed. Get ready for some racing tomorrow. And we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Getting her lettered up, boys.
Is it center, Jeff?
Go your way just a fuzz, Nick.
My way?
Yeah, that's,
Go
I mean, that looks right.
Beating him, I'm driving.
We're supposed to be headed to Tech, but I think Jeremy might have headed to Franklin, I'm not sure. He's a little nervous. He managed to eat some breakfast, so maybe he'll be okay, I don't know. We're a little worried about him. Might be some throw up later in the video, we'll see. But about to get him teched in and then hopefully make a couple of test passes and see what we got, calm his nerves a little bit, get his adrenaline going, let it take over. Seriously, where does he go?
Oh, there you go.
Here he comes. All right, so our hero is teched in. And he wasn't expecting it, but the tech guy said, oh, they just called y'all to the staging lanes for your time trial. So he's frantically putting his gear on he's only worn ever, and hopefully he finds the staging lanes. So here we go, moment of truth. What are you guessing? Your guess was 1420?
Yeah, 14.
Nick bet he wouldn't run faster than a 1420. I bet 1380, I think. So we'll see if he proves us wrong. All right, looks like he's up next. Looks like we're working on the far lane, so he's going to get a test hit on his own. That should help with the nerves a little bit. Wow, 13,473 at 109. Heck yeah. treat time. We got enough GoPros to, I don't know what on this thing, so hopefully he sends it. Any final comments to the camera, sir?
Not really. Just trying to get in the zone.
You get your music going?
I ain't got no music.
Oh.
I didn't bring it this time because last time I got in trouble with copyright.
You want me to sing, do you?
Yeah.
All I got's country.
No.
I think that'll help.
I'm good. I'll listen to the radio.
Chip in his 2007 Mustang and David Mills in the 2015 Mustang in the left lane, and
Well,
they're
that
on
one
their way down
sucked.
the racetrack, and Goats is on the brakes, 11, 18, 82 miles an hour, and 10, 48, and 38.
Blew the damn tires off the start bad. It's so hard to figure out whether to dump the clutch or feather the clutch.
Right over here.
That was a worst run of the day, a 13.6 at 108.8.
Also driving a 2015 Mustang and Schmidt.
got that damn 12-second time or not. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Shit, man. I feel like I could not have done it any better. And still 13.038. Oh my God, man. That's the most frustrating shit ever. Absolutely frustrating. Well, I'm trapping 110 miles an hour, and that's good for at least a mid 12-second pass. I think I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and buy some drag radials. Although I honestly didn't feel like it spun that bad that time. I felt like it was pretty good. It did bog when I went from third to fourth. I hit fourth pretty hard, and it kind of bogged for some reason. I don't know. And then it picked back up. But I mean, first time I've ever done any kind of racing at all on a drag track, and overall I'm not unhappy. It was fun. I had a good day, and that's all what it's all about. Well, it's the day after our big debut, or my big debut at the drag track in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
NMRA World Finals.
Yeah, for
Holley
me.
Ford Fest.
Yeah, he knows all the details like that.
You just know that's right dragging to the track and racing.
I just know it's where I had to dump out half my wallet, and my personal hope was to get down in the 12s. We didn't make it this time, but we're back on the road now. We're heading back to Franklin, and it was a good trip. We had a good time. It was fun. It was kind of short, which sucks, but now that's what happens when you're a weekend warrior and you got a Monday through Friday. You gotta suck it up and hit the road and be willing to put in the hours for the little bit of fun you do get to have. So here we are heading home, and we'll catch y'all later.
See ya.
Anything you want to add? All right, I lied. I'm back. One more thing. We need you to subscribe. It's important.
Hit that like button.
And like, subscribe, all the stuff that everybody says you need to do on YouTube. We need you to do that for us right now.
Don't forget to share this video with a prize.
Yeah. Go ahead, say it one more time.
Share that video with a prize.
Down, hold on, what is it down here?
Yeah, I think that's how you do that. I feel like all the cool kids do it.
Yeah.
So what did you run that time?
13.061.
Why did you not run a 12.99?
Because I lifted like a jackass.
Why did you lift? Because you got scared?
My vagina swelled up.
Mm.
Oh, beat, honk.
Beat, honk, horn.
Yeah.
So here we go. We're in line again for number 3.